So hi guys, it's me Eliana, and today we're gonna be showing you how to make a DJ mixer. First, turn it on. See. And you guys want to see my pet? You know, my puppy.
Party started.
So cute, right? Okay, so now I'm just making a new song, but I'm gonna go to Tech 2, Chill 1, Chill 2, and then I'm gonna just press 1, C number 2. See this one? Number 2. So 2. It's good. Actually, I don't like this. Okay, now I'm gonna go with number 1.
Okay.
Actually, go to Chill 2. Okay, this one. Ready? Then I'm gonna do this. Music. That was song 2. Let's go with song 8. It's my favorite. Ready? So that was the song I invented. And you can hear it somewhere, but I don't know where. She's dancing. Oh, you guys want to see vocals? Vocals is so good.
I can make it happen now. I can do it now. Just watch me. I can make it happen now. I can do it now. Just watch me. I can make it happen now. See you later.
Oh, so guys, that was all the songs I just wanted you to hear. Bye, everybody, and make sure to buy this DJ mixer on Target.com. Bye, and then pick it up wherever.